Performance tasks in trends, network, and critical thinking in the 21st century. Trends is a topic that is subject for many posts on social media within a short period of time. It is something that is developing or changing. It can be a fashion or style. Network is a group of system of interconnected people or things or linkages. It is a complex system. And now, let us talk about the 21st century skills. Anchoring, staying focused on the important task while undergoing a deluge of distraction. Filtering, managing knowledge flow and extracting important elements. Connecting with each other. Building networks in order to continue to stay current and informed. Being human together. Interacting at a human, not only utilitarian level to form a social spaces. Creating and deriving meaning. Understanding implications and comprehending meaning and impact. Evaluation and authentication. Determining the value of knowledge and ensuring authenticity. Altered process of validation. Validating people's idea within appropriate context. 21st century learning involves 3 R's and 7 C's. For 3 R's, reading, writing, arithmetic. For 7 C's, critical thinking and problem solving, communication, information and media literacy, collaboration, teamwork and leadership, creativity and innovation, career and learning self-reliance, cross-cultural understanding, computer, ICT literacy. Skills according to 3 types. Learning skills involves critical thinking, creative thinking, collaborating, and communicating. Literary skills involves information literacy, media literacy, and technology literacy. For life skills involves flexibility, leadership, initiative, productivity, and social skills. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking involves reasoning, problem solving, and evaluating. It also analyzes thought, that assesses thought, and that transforms thought for the better. Critical thinking is a short-directed, self-disciplined, self-monitored, and self-corrective thinking. It entails effective communication and problem-solving abilities and a commitment to overcome our native egocentrism and social centrism. Drawing assumptions. An assumption is something we take for granted or presuppose. All of our thinking and experiences are based on assumptions. An assumption can be true or false, verifiable or disputable, depending on what and where we anchor on our reasoning. Critical thinking process helps us to investigate and verify something to have clear thinking. Strategic thinking. It is the individual's capacity for thinking conceptually, imaginatively, systematically, and opportunistically with regards to attainment of success in the future. Intuitive thinking is a quick and ready insight. It perceives and get aware of the information from outside. It is the gut feeling, sixth sense, inner sense, instinct, inner voice, or spiritual guide. 3 types of thinker. Uncritical person. They may have a good heart but they are not able to skillfully analyze the problem they face. Selfish critical person. Thinkers who do not genuinely accept the values of critical thinking and use critical thinking selectively. Fair-minded critical person. Thinkers who do accept and honors the value of critical thinking. They use intellectual skills accurately. 2 independent thinking styles. Intuition or intuitive. It is preconscious, operating in an automatic and holistic manner. Rationality or rational thinking. It is deliberative, ruled or governed, primary verbal and conscious. 8 elements of reasoning. All reasoning has a purpose. Reasoning is an attempt to figure something out, to settle some questions, to solve some problems. All reasoning is based on assumptions. All reasoning is done from some point of view. All reasoning is based on data, information, and evidence. All reasoning is expressed through shape and concept and ideas. All reasoning contains inference by which we draw conclusion and give meaning to data. All reasoning leading somewhere has implication and consequences. The beauty ideal of the fashion silhouette. China, foot binding. Africa, lip plates and giraffe necks. England, whitening the face, plucking eyelashes, and shaving back the hairline. Georgian wig vanity. Corsets. flappers, anorexia nervosa, and bulimia nervosa. Trend is a recurrent phenomenon that takes place over time and gives rise to speculation on the future. 3 commonalities the trend share. Trends are complex syntheses of information. All trends use pattern identification and recognition. Trend uses time frame. Trends are best guesses for future events or patterns. Fad. It is an interest or fashion that is very popular for a short time. It is characterized by quick rise followed by a quick decline. Fad is a short-lived fashion. It is a temporary fashion, a craze, interest, or activity that people follow enthusiastically but lasts for a short period of time. Fad has definite beginning and end. ALS, or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, a disease that affects nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. What does ALS to the body? It causes progressive degeneration of the motor neurons, which control muscle movements. Dead motor neurons make the brain lose its ability to initiate and control muscle movement. It can lead to total paralysis. Ice Bucket Challenge videos is begun on July 15, 2014 when a video posted by a golf Chris Kennedy. The feeling of ice-cold water over the body is said to be similar as the numbing effect of ALS. Ice Bucket Challenge raised $41.8 million in donations July 29 to August 21, 2014. The ALS Therapy Development Institute has reported big jump in the amount of donation it has received after the viral video challenge. So that's it po for my performance task. Thank you and God bless.